Hi, this is Eric Ringer, SDI term 1206, my Project 4 reflection video. This week we had 12 I guess functions that we had to make into a library. So we had to do a minimum of 6, which I did just the minimum of 6. What went well? I think overall everything went well. My turning a string into a number, like 42 as a string, and then converting it into a number. I mean, that was pretty simple. Placing a decimal, a string like 2.1 to 2.10. I mean, those are pretty simple. And then the regular expressions for the checking an email address and checking a phone number, those went well. They were just very time consuming trying to find all the correct information and regular expressions. I can see why the teacher says once you do it once, you save it so you don't have to do it again, because it took a long time just doing all the research and finding all this stuff. And this assignment, I did it once, and then I kind of realized after our one-bus session that I didn't do it in the library format, so I kind of had to redo it and configure it. What didn't go well was I had trouble just putting curly braces and semicolons in the wrong spots or extra ones, so I spent a lot of time trying to figure out what where I just misplaced things and stuff. So that was a little frustrating, but I was able to work it out, so that was nice. And then how does this relate to previous work? It's just like I've said the last 2 weeks that, it's hard work, and that, if you really want to do something or be good at something, you have to work hard and put the time and effort into it, and it will pay off. And how this will relate to future work, I'm hoping learning JavaScript, or at least understanding the basics, will help me in my next class, Visual Frameworks, and future classes, and help me get a job and doing all this stuff and making mobile apps. What was my aha moment? I think I had my aha moment last week when things just started clicking and the logic just started to make sense and stuff. So that's when things started to get it easier for me. Did my fellow students help me out? Actually, I haven't reached out to any of my fellow students. I probably should have, and I probably will in future assignments. I hope I'm welcome for anybody to reach out to me. Eric Ringer at fullsail.edu is my email address. So anybody, can send me a message or anything and reach out to me. Did learning how to write code teach you about something other than code? No, not really. I've been so focused on just coding and everything, that I don't think I've really took the time to really think that it has taught me about something other than code. And then to any moments where you're looking at something non-school related, pretty much everything. Just when I'm looking at different websites and stuff, and just seeing, how did they use, JavaScript on this site or other sites. So I have, which is kind of cool and stuff. Just, trying to figure out how someone did something, or on a website, or, just in everyday life and stuff. I have a 2-year-old son, so, trying to, figure out how his life would be coded would be, I think, something interesting, maybe, that I could do or something in the future. But yeah, so, I'm glad this class is over, and then I'm looking forward to taking Visual Frameworks. And yeah, this is my video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.